Whether you have a lot of space in your kitchen or just a little, keeping your kitchen countertop neat and clean is very important. While we are working in the kitchen, we just pile up many things on the countertop, and then before we know it, we are left with no space for work. Why spend extra time in the kitchen just to clean up the mess from the countertop? That time can be spent with family, can be spent in taking care of ourselves, because during such difficult time, it's important to take care of yourself first. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see what should be actually on the countertop. How should we organize it and the different ways to style it correctly so that you would have ample space to work. So let's get started. We almost cook 3 to 4 meals per day, and for that the spices, oils, ladles, knife, cutting board should be at arm's length to make our job easy. You can easily improve the aesthetics of your kitchen countertop by keeping the essentials in a basket at a corner. Utilize your corners by adding a round basket and organize the essentials in it, like keep ladles, salt, oils, and behind them keep the cutting boards. When you organize any corner, try to use those things which can be useful. Like here, I have used this hot pot stand, which not only adds to decor but also it's useful while cooking. You don't have to buy new things from the market. Use whatever you have in your home, like trays, basket, old cups for storing knives and ladles. Just be creative in your own way. Look around, find things, and with them, organize and decorate your kitchen.
Santa, you, I will never forget.
Use such kind of countertop organizers for organizing the cutting boards. These organizers comes with a special slot where you can store all your knife at one place. Here I have shown you many ways to use simple things and giving you ideas to decorate and organize the daily kitchen staples on the countertop. Don't keep too many original plants on the countertop as it takes space and also attracts insects. Use the fake plants, wash them and redecorate your countertops again. Just don't use a wooden basket to keep oil dispensers directly on it, because it's not easy to clean the wooden baskets. You can use a plastic or a steel plate for keeping the essentials. You can also use glass or plastic trays to organize them, or the wooden ones which comes with an acrylic lamination on it. All these materials except the wood are easy to clean.
Santa, you,
Look at your kitchen countertop and check for all the appliances which you have on it. There may be many appliances which you haven't used in a while. Like, we use this mixer almost every alternate day for making chutneys, puree and shake. Just tie the wire nicely with a zip tie. This will reduce the visible clutter, and then plug it for daily use.
Santa, you.
For example, if you don't use toaster that often, so keeping this on countertop will only occupy your workspace. It's good to keep such appliances in a cabinet which you don't use every day. Whenever you need it, take them out, use it and then keep it back.
Santa, you,
Microwave. If you don't have any space for it and you're keeping it on the countertop, then you can use these kind of overhead shelves. This will not only make the microwave functional for everyday use but also gives you an extra vertical space just above it. And you don't have to remove the stuff every time you use it. You can create your tea or coffee station here, or keep your mugs and cups. Decorate in your own way, and also it adds the functionality to your countertop. If you have a shelf or a table in a dining space, you can keep it there. And you will have more space in the kitchen to work. You can find the links for all the products in the description box below. Dishwashing liquid by the kitchen sink can definitely be visually unappealing. No matter how much you try to make them neat and tidy, the house helps come and move them, and before you know anything, they are scattered all over the sink. There are many sink organizer options available in the market. According to the space in your sink area, you can buy one. But in kitchen like mine, where you don't have much space to keep such organizers, you can always use trays and be creative in your own way. You can always use this sill at the back of the sink, use a tray and organize all the cleaning stuff here.
To sail to you, I will never forget.
Or if you have a window in your kitchen, you can use this narrow sill for organizing the cleaning items here. Just insert a wooden plank and fix it with nails and voila, you're done. You can keep all your things here and you can also decorate this area a little bit.
To sail to you, I will never forget. The sky is blue and the air is warm.
Use these kind of suction baskets for keeping the scrubbers.
To sail to
You can use the cake stands too to organize the sink area. And also it makes the whole kitchen look very beautiful.
To sail to you, I will never forget. The sky is blue and the air is warm.
I have seen my parents and some of my friends, they just can't live without tea or coffee. But in my home, neither me nor my husband take tea. Occasionally, I take coffee but not too much. So I know in most of the houses, it's a necessity and it should be on the countertop. So make a dedicated space for making beverages. If you are a chai and coffee lover, at one corner of your kitchen countertop, make a beverage station using a cake stand or a tray to keep sugar and tea containers handy. And it also makes this area aesthetically pleasing. Be creative and decorate this area by adding colorful cups and mugs. Display the sachets of coffee and make it interesting according to you.
To sail to you, I will never forget. The sky is blue and the air is warm. When I see you smile.
If you don't want to create a beverage station, keep these essentials near the cooking tray. In this area, you can also keep a water dispenser along with some mugs so that whenever someone is thirsty, they can take the glass and use it. If you have a very less space to work in your kitchen, you can always use a tier stand or racks and utilize your vertical space rather than keeping it on the kitchen countertop. You can use these small racks to organize oil dispensers and other important kitchen containers. There are many options and according to the space in your kitchen, you can order and organize your stuff vertically on the kitchen countertop.
To sail to you, I will never forget. The sky is blue and the air is warm. When I see you smile, it will welcome me home.
You can also use these tier stands for keeping the cutting boards in these slots nicely. And in the front, keep the small containers.
To sail to you,
Use them to keep your colorful mugs on the countertop. It makes your kitchen countertop looks very beautiful. When you will have neat and organized kitchen countertop with minimum things on it, your cleaning time will be reduced. And that time you can spend with your family. Play with your kid, read a book, make DIYs, or give yourself a little pampering time, like oiling your hair. I'm using this new hair oil from Mama Earth. It's a rice water hair oil. So this oil is rich in vitamins and minerals. Fermented rice water that strengthen the roots and repair the damaged hair. I keep the oil overnight and in the morning I wash it with rice water shampoo and then followed by conditioner. It has a protein which improves the hair texture by adding elasticity, increases the volume and makes the hair more manageable. You can buy the product and use my coupon code which is DECOR2021 for extra 20% off on mama.in. And you can also get these products from Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users can get early access to sales and get extra discount. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked today's video. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay home, take care and bye-bye.